So this is what I added to my truck, and this is what she looks like at night. These bars are actually turn signals. I got switchback LEDs, so they're white. And they turn yellow when the turn signal comes on. Got my warning lights. The orange runners. Some fog light. White underglow. Got this light. Of course, you gotta have your in-cab light. Here's my light module control. I definitely recommend this, especially if you're going to be adding lights to your vehicle. There's built-in fuses. You got several selections you can choose. So the white spots are areas I haven't used yet, but I got lights in the truck bed, my strobe lights, my rear light, my underglow, and my front light bar light. And the nice thing is it's all wireless. Even when the truck is off, you can control all your modules. But that way you don't have to worry about anything going sideways. And if it does, it is fused.